In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the tau symbol in Microsoft Word. If you need to insert the tau symbol into a Microsoft Word document, you can easily do it using the symbol option. The tau symbol is commonly used in mathematics, science, engineering, and other documents that require Greek letters. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to insert the tau symbol. Place your cursor where you want the symbol to appear. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Look for the Symbols section and click on Symbol. A list of commonly used symbols will appear. If you can see the tau symbol in the list, you can select it directly. If it is not visible, click on More Symbols to open the symbol dialog box. In the symbol dialog box, look for the font option and select Normal Text. Next, open the subset drop-down menu and look for the Greek and Coptic section. This section contains Greek letters and other related symbols. Now, look through the available characters until you find the tau symbol. The lowercase tau symbol is represented by tau, while the uppercase version is represented by tau. Select the tau symbol that you want to use. After selecting the symbol, click Insert. Microsoft Word will place the tau symbol exactly where your cursor was positioned. You can now continue typing the rest of your text or equation. If you want to change the appearance of the tau symbol, select it and use the options in the Home tab to change its font, size, or other formatting. This can help the symbol match the rest of your document. The symbol dialog box is also useful when you need other Greek letters or special mathematical characters. Instead of searching for each symbol on your keyboard, you can use this menu to find and insert the character you need. For example, if you're creating a mathematical equation or a scientific document, you can use the same method to insert different Greek symbols alongside your regular text. Once you have inserted the tau symbol and finished formatting it, you can continue working on your Microsoft Word document as normal. And that's how you can insert the tau symbol in Microsoft Word using the symbol option. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,